Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate a shower head that has, you know, some soap scum on it. Going to use our product, our bioclean. You can take these off. I tend to leave them up because sometimes they're hard to get back up, so you can lay the bottles flat if you need to. And again, you don't always have to use the bioclean on a shower head, just when there's a lot of soap scum or calcium buildup. Sometimes it's easier just to get the good stuff out so you don't have to do something 5 times.